There is probably nothing more exciting than actually planting and harvesting from your own vegetable garden at home. One of the things that I wanted to share with you today is to help you to be successful in starting vegetables from seed. One of the first things that you can do is contact your local county extension office. Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Service has county offices that can help you not only with what vegetables grow best in your region, but what varieties to look for when you go to your local garden center. That information can be found on our Aggie Horticulture website, AGGIE-HORTICULTURE.TAMU.EDU. Once you're armed with information, you're ready to go to the garden center to start looking at all the seeds that are available to you. Mostly vegetables can be divided into cool or warm season vegetables. Those cool season vegetables are things like spinach, loose leaf lettuces, broccoli, cauliflower, those plants that tend to thrive during the cooler months of the year. Whereas our warm season vegetables are things like our summer squashes, zucchini, cucumbers, and tomatoes and corn that tend to do better in our warmer months. Once you know what season that you're going to be planting in, the selection is fairly easy because a lot of the information that you need can be found right on the back of the seed packet. Your seed packet will give you information on planting depth, how far apart to plant your seeds, and also how long to expect your seeds to germinate. That's important information so that when you check your garden every day, you'll know when those plants will be up and ready to grow. This is Lisa Whittlesey with Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Service wishing you happy gardening.